Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over all things of the lips and how to apply those lips and to make your lips plump and make it last all day and all night. And so here we go. Okay, I did all my makeup that I do before I do my lips. That is primed, color corrector, foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, eyebrows, baking, blush, contour, highlight, you name it. Okay, now I'm going to be doing a red lippie, and let me grab those products. Make sure you really bake those lips and press those lips with the press powder. That way it makes a plump effect for your lips, and it makes your lips last all day and makes your lips just makes you turn heads for sure. So first you want to make sure that your lip liner is sharpened, nice and pointy. And this is Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 Universal Red. Okay, then going to line those lips. Let me get a better angle. Stand up as I'm doing this so you can see the lips. Line those lips. Hang in there as you're watching this in silence. Line those lips. I wish I had like music in the background, but I want to avoid copyright issues. And then as those lips are aligned, I always put this in the middle, a line in the middle, a line in the middle, and then cross that bow there is your lip liner. Look kind of scary, I know, but it is to line the lips. Make sure that is on, lined. Get a brush and wipe off any of the excess lip product. There is a close-up of the lips. You can see all the lip liner. This is Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Bang Bang. Super pretty Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn red lipstick. Gonna look super 1950s glam. Okay, I'm standing up because I don't want to mess up on this lippy tutorial. Again, stand the silence. Sorry, it's silent. Get that lipstick all even. Now for the top lip. I wish I could put on like a Marilyn Monroe song as I'm doing my lips, but just gonna stay in silence. The lips all done. As you can see, it's a little uneven right here. I'm gonna fix that real fast with some concealer. To fix that smudge right there, I'm gonna be using RCMA concealer palette and Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and get that concealer and fix that smudge off that concealer and lipstick. Do one more round of fixing that. Okay, another round. Didn't quite get it. And then blend in the concealer around the lip. That sponge, just kind of bake that a little bit from the leftover. All right, gonna fix that a little bit more with applying another coat. There we go. Blend in that lipstick. Okay, let that dry a little. As I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna do my mascara real quick. Be right back. That is all dry. I'm gonna be using Painted Artistry Canvas eyeshadow palette and fill in that red lipstick using Cherry and Red Flag, and apply that eyeshadow. Applying eyeshadow on your matte lipstick really makes that full effect on your lips. It makes your lips plump. It helps your lipstick last all day, and it really enhances that lip drama effect, you know? Makes you have a plump, beautiful, gorgeous lips. And apply that eyeshadow on your lips. A little bit more that Red Flag. Hear that right eyeshadow on your lips. And there is that lippy tutorial for beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, head turning, lasting all day and night, and plump lips. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. I'll be right back. And there is my makeup all done. Now on to doing my hair for the final look. Wig cap, brush the wig. Now there is my makeup and hair all done for the final look. Here's a good look at the makeup and the lips. Get all the angles, all the good lighting. Close up on the lips. Good with that Instagram camera. Here is a good close up on the lips. Get a good look at those lips. Kind of look like a comic book character right now. Love it. Here's a good look at the lips. And there goes your lippy tutorial. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.